Ever heard your cat make a weird chattering sound at the window? Almost like she's trying to talk to the birds?
That funny little ack-ack noise isn't random at all.
Scientists think it's pure excitement mixed with frustration. Her hunting instinct switches on, but the glass is in the way. Some researchers even believe she's mimicking the bird's call, a tiny built-in hunting trick. So that strange chatter is your cat running a full predator program from the safety of her windowsill. Adorable and just a little bit savage. Follow for your daily dose of cute.